Mixed banking is a combination of deposit banking and industrial banking, investment banking and branch banking, deposit banking and agriculture banking, unit banking and branch banking. Deposit banking and industrial banking. A safe method of creating charge on movable property. Pledge, mortgage, lien, hypothecation. Pledge. MICR checks are for fast cash, fast transfer, fast accounting, fast clearing. Fast clearing. A crossed check signifies that payment should be made to another branch, a banker, across the counter safely. A banker. One of the following is not related to consumer rights: protection of health and safety, to seek redressal, to be informed, to return goods before use. To return goods before use. Marketing strategy is allocating marketing resources, a plan of action for obtaining marketing objectives, decision for fighting competition, none of these. A plan of action for obtaining marketing objectives. The economic and social justification for a firm's existence. Customer satisfaction, profit making ability, goodwill, market focus. Customer satisfaction. Sales are equal to cost of goods sold plus profit, cost of goods sold plus gross profit minus cost of goods sold, none of these. Cost of goods sold plus profit. Orderly arrangement of data in rows and columns is known as classification, tabulation, investigation, editing. Tabulation. The ideal quantity of materials that is to be ordered at a time is known as reorder quantity, economic ordering quantity, danger quantity, none of these. Economic ordering quantity.